Good day and greetings to our wonderful Ogun State teachers, our wonderful SPs and HOS. Hope you are having a good and nice time. Alright, so this is a very short video on how to fix or register subject for our students in various classes. So, and as we know that for each term, you have to do this task. You have to register subject for your student for each term. Uh, Reason being that the subject they did last time might not be the same subject they are doing this time, and that is very paramount with our KG and nursery classes. So you do this per term. So and before I go to a live school, please let's take note that this task is only performed or can only be performed by the SPA of each school. No other teacher can do this. Only SPAs can do it. So the reason why, and one of the reasons we are this video is necessary to be done is because some new SPAs that are just being elected to be SPAs. So some of them or all of them should please try and watch this video and have a good and better understanding on how to navigate through. Alright, so I'm going to log in as an SPA of a school right now, and I'm logged in as the SPA right now. The SPA of this school is Suliodu, as you can see here. So I'm logged in as SPA. So the first thing to do now is to go to my school curriculum to be sure that those subjects that were included in the curriculum for last session are still present in the curriculum, or I have a new subject for that is KG classes should, or a nursery class should take note of this, or I have a new subject that the students did not offer last time but are offering this time. So I need to add those subjects to the curriculum first before they appear on subject registration or three subject registration. So how am I going to then find my school curriculum? You go to the modules here, you click on central EMIs and the school curriculum, drop down, you click on school curriculum. Once you click on school curriculum, you select your class. The curriculum for nursery classes is different from the curriculum for primary classes. So curriculum is grouped into class by class. So you select your class. You select your class. So you select your class. So in this case, I'm working with primary class. So, and this is the same process for all schools, be it junior schools, senior or combined school. It's the same process for all schools. So don't panic if you are seeing me using primary school here. If you are in senior school, if you are in the combined school, just follow the process. It's the same process for all school. So I select primary now. As you can see, these are the subjects that were offered during last session. So, and they are still very much intact inside the curriculum for all schools. But in case there is a subject I want to include to this, maybe they did not do the subject last time and they want to do the subject this time. So all I need to do is just to click on this input field that is right there. Just click on it straight. Once you click on it, it will allow you to search for the subject. All you need to do is just to type the subject, maybe in full. Let me search for mathematics, for example. Mathematics, for example. As you can see, I'm searching for mathematics, and it might take a while before it come up, but it will definitely come up. As you can see, this is primary mathematics. The P for the under subject for the subject code is meant for primary. So but primary is inside this curriculum for me, so I'm just doing a demo, so I don't need to add mathematics again. So, and as you can see, it came up this way. Any subject you want to add, just type the name of the subject here and it will come up. It will come up, be it an trade subject or normal subject. It will come up. Or after it came up like this, all you need to do is just to click on it this way. Let me click on it. Because it's showing error because mathematics is already here. So, but if mathematics is not here already, once I click on it that way, it will come down and add up to all these subjects. And after doing that, the subject will appear on the curriculum automatically. Then after having fixed that, what you need to do instantly is just go straight up to your classroom management, where you will find your subject registration and trade subject registration. So alright, so you click on subject registration, since you want to register subjects for your students. So you click on subject registration, and this will come up. It will soon come up with teaching network. So please and please, some of us might be facing a network issue. Maybe the page is not loading well. So just relax. Once you have a good network and data, just relax for it to load. Alright, so this is the present time now. It's automatically active. So all I need to do is just select program, select primary, then select primary. In this case, I will be working with primary 3 because primary 2A for last term has been moved to primary 3 in this present term. For those that haven't moved their students to this present term, they won't be able to do subject registration and three subject registration. So please and please ensure that you've moved your students to this present term. You can watch our you can go to our YouTube handle and watch the video. There's a short video on that, and a short write-up has been shared to all the WhatsApp groups. So you can ask your colleagues or mates for this on how to go about that, how to move your student to this present term. So in this case, our primary 2 for last session has been moved to primary 3 for this session. So I'm going to be working with primary 3 for this session. So let me click on primary 3 here, and as you can see, all the students appears under subject registration. So all you need to do now, for those that are offering mathematics, I believe all students are offering mathematics, just click the mark button in green here, and it will register mathematics for all the students automatically. As you can see, it's successful, and it will change to this mark button, as you can see now. So mathematics is registered for all students. Same thing with English, we register English for all students. Same thing in English, we register English for all students, and it will show successful this way, and it will also change to this mark and icon, which is green in green. So as you can see, but there are some cases where some students are offering one subject but are not offering one other subject. Maybe for Yoruba, for example, now some are offering Yoruba and some are not offering Yoruba. So in this case, I won't be able to use this button I use for English and mathematics. I'll just be registering it one by one. For example, now let's say number 1 is registering, is doing Yoruba. I'll just click it one like this. But number 2 is not offering Yoruba, and number 3 is offering Yoruba. So I will not click anything from number 2 at all. Please and please, let's take note of this. I will not click anything for number 2. I'll just go straight to number 3. Since number 2 is not offering Yoruba, just go straight to the next person that is offering and register the same way. But if I make a mistake, number 2 is not offering Yoruba now, but I mistakenly did a mistake by registering it for the student, all I need to do is just to click it again. It will change, it will register it for the students. As you will soon see in some seconds, as you can see now, it has registered it for the students. So please and please, any student that is not offering one subject or the other should not be registered for the subject, so as not to affect our report card. So, and having done that, all I need to do is just to go straight to trade subject also, and do the same thing for trade subject. Just the same thing I did there is what will be done for trade subject. All right, so let's wait for the network as it comes up. So like I said earlier, just hold on for the system to load the page for you. Right, so we are working with primary 3A. So select primary 3. To come up, so let's hold on for the network as it comes up. Alright, select primary 3A. We are working to primary 3A. So you do the same thing for all the arms. You do it for primary 3A, primary 3B, and for primary 3C, as many arms you have. So alright, so you do the same thing for CRS and IRK. As we all know, it is not possible for a student to be offering the two subjects together. So and for in this case, any student you register for CRS, is not expected for you to register IRK for him or her, because no student is offering the two subjects. So this student now is offering the number one student is offering CRS, so I won't register IRK for him. And number two now is offering IRK, is a Muslim. I will register IRK for him, and but CRS will not be registered for him. So you do that for all your students. Please and please, so many people made mistakes around this area during last session. They registered these two subjects for all our learners. Please and please, let's make sure that didn't repeat itself this session. Just add the list of your students from each class, have those that are offering CRS and those that are offering IRK, then register them accordingly. Anyone that is offering CRS is not expected to be offering IRK, so do not register the two subjects for the learners. Just register those offering IRK, like as I did here. Register those offering IRK, then leave this thing empty, the button empty. Register those offering CRS, leave the button empty, and move on and on and on to the next. So this person also is offering CRS, so I won't register IRK for him. I'll just go to this next person that is offering IRK and register. So you do that on and on for them. And all these ones are offering PVS, you use this button at the top. And they are offering French, you use this button at the top. And having done this, then you are good to go for the next action or next activity, which is expected to be result upload. So you'll be able to upload scores for all these subjects you register for students. So thank you for watching this video. Please, let's do well to share these videos to our mates and colleagues out there, so everybody can have a good and seamless experience working with this platform. I remain my humble self, Precious. Thank you and God bless.